Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to complete the Gossip Dream Bubble quest from NPC Bailey J in Heartopia. So first just go and talk to the Bailey J, this one. And then after that you will be asked to visit the art street. Just simply follow the quest marker on your screen until you arrive at these correct locations. More precisely at these locations, this one, you can see it. It's near the piano square like this. It's on piano square like this. And then once you are at this area, at this art street, your next objective is to find the dream bubble. However, there's a small trick. The dream bubble won't appear right away. You need to interact with the piano and just play it like this. And then in here you don't have to play a real song, just press the keys randomly for a few seconds like this. For example, like this. And then after that the dream bubble will appear above the piano. Then just simply break the bubble and the quest will be complete. But unfortunately in here I can't show this step and the dream bubble clearly because I already finished the quest on my account, so bubble no longer appears for me. But if you are doing the quest for the first time, it should spawn right above the piano after you play it. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!